Introduction. Bhola was playing when he hurt his eye. He rushed back to his home where her mother blew air in a clean handkerchief and quickly kept it on Bhola's red eyes. She repeated it 4 to 5 times. By that time, Bhola was much relieved. What just happened here? Bhola's mother used the warmth of the breath to help him. Are there any other uses of air we breathe out? In this lesson, you will learn about air. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to uses of air in the process of heating and cooling. List of work done due to blowing air. Hot and cold air. You must have seen people blowing air from their mouth on their hands during cold winters. This makes the hand warm. You must have also seen people blowing air in hot coffee. This makes the coffee cold. Hot and cold air. When we blow air into cool things, the air from the mouth is comparatively hot and it transfers the heat to the cold thing. Similarly, for a hot thing, the air from the mouth is comparatively less hot and so helps in making the things cold. Warming hands. If you keep your hands at some distance from the mouth and blow air, this time the air from the mouth does not feel much warm. Do you know why? As there is distance between the hand and the mouth, the air gets mixed up with outside air and thus becomes cooler. Uses of blowing air. You must have seen your grandfather blowing on their spectacles to wipe them clean. The air blown from the mouth is hot and the glass of the spectacles is comparatively cold. The hot air breathed out contains water vapors, which turns into tiny droplets of water when it comes in contact with the colder glass. This makes the glass moist and hazy, and you can wipe to clean the glass. Other activities. The other things for which you blow air from your mouth are for whistling, for removing dirt, to blow on and blow off the fire, for cleaning the spectacles, for blowing balloons, playing musical instrument. Musical instruments. Let's look at some musical instruments that depend on air. Flute. It is made up of wood and it is played by blowing air from mouth. Bean. It is made up of wood and played by blowing air from mouth. Some of the things which produce melodious sounds when we blow into them are flute, pungi, shehnai, and bean. After exercising, if you put your finger under your nose, you can feel air when you breathe out from your nose. If you jump and then count the number of breathe in and out, it increases. A doctor using a stethoscope hears the heartbeat, the sound that comes from our heart. A heart is an organ that lies in the left side of the chest and beats continuously. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned. During cold winters, you can blow air from mouth on the hands to make it warm. You can blow air from mouth to cool off hot things. Many musical instruments Produce sound using air. A doctor uses stethoscope to hear the heartbeat.